Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to use huddles on Slack. Now let's dive into a common challenge many of us face in this evolving world of remote work: effective communication. It's no secret that staying connected with your team can make or break a project's success, especially when you're not all in the same office. That's where Slack's huddles come into play. Imagine being able to instantly start a voice chat with your team, sharing ideas, and getting real-time feedback, all without leaving your workspace. Sounds useful, right? Let's explore exactly how you can harness the power of huddles on Slack to enhance collaboration within your team. First things first, let's walk through the steps to initiate a huddle on Slack. Begin by opening your Slack application. Whether you're using the desktop version or the web browser, the process is quite similar. Choose the group chat or channel where you wish to start a huddle. For example, if you're planning to brainstorm with your sales team, click on the Sales Report channel. With the channel open, move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Huddle icon. Clicking this icon starts a huddle, which is essentially a voice chat for the selected channel or group. But wait, if you're using Slack on a web browser, it might prompt you for access to your microphone and webcam. This is standard procedure to ensure your voice, and if necessary, your video, can be shared with your colleagues. Just click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once your huddle is live, several handy features become available to you. For instance, you can mute or unmute your microphone with a simple click. This is useful for maintaining order in larger meetings or when you need to quickly silence background noise. Similarly, you can toggle your webcam on or off, depending on whether you want to share video or just your voice. One of the standout features that makes Huddle so effective is screen sharing. Imagine you're explaining a complex idea or presenting data. Wouldn't it be great to visually share your screen to make your point clearer? You can easily do this in a huddle, making it a valuable tool for presentations or collaborative sessions. In addition to voice and screen sharing, huddles allow you to send reactions. This can be a thumbs up emoji or a wink to acknowledge what someone has said, adding a layer of engagement to your conversation. Plus, you can invite colleagues from other teams to join the huddle, making cross-department collaboration a breeze. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on starting and using huddles on Slack. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to use huddles on Slack quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to use huddles on Slack, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.